Remove the side panel. Unscrew the fasteners. Take off the panel. Dismount the left baffle. Pry open this trim frame. Unscrew the screws. Remove the air outlet vent. Unplug the air conditioning control panel. Unscrew the mounting bolts. Pull out the entire head unit. Finally, remove the hazard light button and install it onto the new trim frame, head unit and accessories for Chevrolet Cruze. It needs to be disassembled during installation. Mount this black frame on the stock vehicle by matching the screw holes and clip positions. Next, we need to fasten the main unit to this frame with screws. Note that the main unit must be fully clipped into place before tightening the screws. After installing all wiring harnesses, secure the main unit to the black frame by aligning it with the clip slots. This is the back of the radio unit. We are equipped with 3 sets of wiring harnesses. This wiring harness is for the 2016 model. This main wire of the wiring harness set does not need to be installed. Set it aside. Locate the 16P power plug on the wiring harness and insert it here. Locate the white 8P power plug for the protocol box and plug it in here. Locate this black plug and connect it to the speaker plug. Locate the 20P wiring harness and plug it in here. Please connect the black fan connector to the one on the 20-pin cable. Then connect the microphone connector. Connect the 4-pin OEM USB connector. Connect the 6-pin USB plug. Plug this 10-pin reversing video input connector in here. Connect the radio antenna and plug the other end into the original car radio antenna connector. Connect the GPS antenna plug. These plugs will need to be connected to the original vehicle plugs later. These 2 plugs must be matched and connected according to the colors of the original car radio plugs. Inserting them backwards will blow the fuse. The remaining connectors on the original vehicle require no further handling. If the original vehicle is equipped with a rear view camera, connect this plug to the 10P reverse camera plug. The rear view camera is also included with our accessories. Connect the power cord and signal cable for the rear view camera. Connect the other end of the extension cable to the 10-pin reverse video output plug. Then, connect the red wire from the power cable to the extended red wire from the signal cable. Connect this combined red wire to the positive terminal plus of the car's reverse light. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal of the car's reverse light. The other two sets of power wires are plugged in the same way as demonstrated. The power wires must be selected according to the color of the plug on the back of the original car radio. Match and plug the wiring harness connectors according to the colors of the original radio plugs. Be sure to mark the colors when removing the original vehicle plugs. 3 sets of wiring harnesses share one protocol box. Plug the protocol box into the corresponding wiring harness after confirming which harness to install. Plug this small black speaker into the connector of the wiring harness to be installed. One of the wiring harnesses is equipped with 2 aux and RCA connectors. Simply connect these 2 RCA plugs to the aux in ports on the 20P connector.